welcome to our YouTube channel.
Hi kids. Today we're going to recycle all the aluminum cans that Roman has collected in the neighborhood and take them to the recycling center so we can get money for them. We hope you enjoy this video of what recycling looks like, and kids, you could recycle in your neighborhoods too. We just go around with our grabber and pick up the aluminum cans and we store them, then we crush them and take them to the recycling center.
We have a lot of cans to crush, so let's get to work.
Roman, what do you got there?
My scooper. These are the job.
Whoa! That's a scooper that Roman's mommy got him to pick up cans with in the neighborhood. It's actually a doggy poo-poo scooper, but we don't have a dog, so we just use it for cans, and it works pretty good. Well, it does have sharp claws, doesn't it, Roman? Hello, kitty. One way to crush the cans is stomp, 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 huh? You're gonna jump off the chair and crush them. Let's do it. Kids, we also have a can crusher that you put cans in. Mommy and Daddy should use it. You get your fingers smashed. And it smashes the cans flat as a pancake. Look at all the cans we crushed. Let's head to the recycling center. Let's go. Yeah?
Oh, look at their drivers and lights.
On the way to the recycling center, Roman discovered a place where they build garbage trucks. Look at all of them. We're at the recycling center.
We're at a metal center. We're metal in.
Yeah,
We're
at the metal recycling center.
Look at that metal knocked down car. Let's check it out.
We're at the recycling center where they take metal from cars and other things and recycle it and put it to use in new ways.
Oh, look at truck is that?
It's like the claw game that you play at the store, but this one picks up cars.
The recycling place and got money. Yeah.
Yeah? So cleaning the neighborhood pays, huh?
Yeah.
And it's a lot of fun keeping your neighborhood nice and clean, right? Making a difference.
Yeah.
Good job, Roman. So, kids, it's good to clean up your neighborhood. And you might even get a little money in your pocket, too. We'd like to give a shout out to who, Roman?
Hunter and Brock and Troy.
Yes, Hunter, Brock, and Troy, our YouTube friends. Thanks for watching. And kids, if you want us to mention your name, just comment below and we'll be sure to give you a shout out. Thanks for watching.